Hi budding artist and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going draw and tell you about Marina from Zig and Sharko. Meet Marina, the charming mermaid who brightens up the ocean with her infectious laughter and boundless energy. She's the heart and soul of the underwater world, always spreading joy wherever she goes. Marina's friendship with Sharko is as deep as the ocean itself. He's not just her bodyguard, but her confidant and companion, always ready to defend her from any danger, especially from Zig. And then there's Zig, the relentless hunter, who can't resist the temptation of catching Marina. But despite his relentless pursuit, Marina remains blissfully unaware of Zig's true intentions, always greeting him with a warm smile and open arms. Marina's innocence and childlike nature make her a beacon of light in the often tumultuous ocean. But don't let her sweet demeanor fool you. When pushed to her limits, Marina can unleash a fiery temper that rivals even the fiercest sea storm. Yet, despite her occasional moments of selfishness and jealousy, Marina's heart is always in the right place. She loves to explore new things, constantly pushing the boundaries of her underwater world with her insatiable curiosity and thirst for adventure. With her aquatic prowess, Marina moves with unparalleled agility and speed, navigating the depths of the ocean with ease. But her abilities extend beyond the water's edge. Using the fins on her tail as feet, Marina effortlessly transitions between land and sea, possessing both aquatic and terrestrial breathing abilities. Her connection with the creatures of the ocean and the island allows her to communicate effortlessly with the fauna around her. But Marina's talents don't stop there. She's a gifted mechanic, lifeguard, and nurse, capable of tackling any challenge that comes her way. Whether she's fixing a broken engine or tending to a wounded friend, Marina's resourcefulness knows no bounds, and when it comes to physical prowess, Marina is unmatched. Her acrobatic talent and hand-to-hand combat skills make her a formidable opponent, capable of defending herself against any threat. But perhaps Marina's most surprising ability lies in her singing voice. While it may be inconsistent, her melodic tones have been known to have both charming and chaotic effects on those around her. Despite her carefree and sometimes naive nature, Marina's intelligence and resourcefulness shine through in every situation. Despite her many talents and abilities, Marina, the cheerful mermaid of Zig and Sharko, is not without her weaknesses. Her trusting nature and childlike innocence often leave her vulnerable to the schemes of her pursuer, Zig. Zig, the relentless hunter, often takes advantage of Marina's naivety, using her friendly demeanor to his advantage.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.